and take a look at the 2017 Jeep Renegade. The Jeep Renegade offers full-size capability built in a smaller SUV. The Jeep Renegade is an incredible combo of smart technology, cool colors, and innovative materials. It has a capable command center with the tools you need for discovering everything that's out there. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power heated outside mirrors, daytime running lights, remote power door locks, rear wiper, cruise control, trip computer, power windows, power steering, tachometer, compass. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.